In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom category in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open Origin Financial on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to Settings and look for Spending Settings. Click on it, and a side panel will open on the side of your screen. Inside the side panel, select Manage Categories. This will show you all the default categories already available in the system. Scroll down until you find the option to Create Category, then click on it. Now you will need to set up your custom category. Start by entering the category name you want to use, such as subscriptions, travel, or anything that fits your needs. After that, choose whether this category will be used for expense or income, depending on how you want to track it. Next, assign the category to a group so it stays organized within your spending structure. Then you can choose a color and icon to make it easier to identify visually when reviewing your transactions. Once everything is set, click Create Category to save it. Your new custom category will now be available when tagging or organizing transactions in Origin Financial. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.